Hi everyone, this is Arahita, Assistant Professor of Computer Science Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I'm here to explain a few concepts of cloud computing. The topic we are going to discuss here is about architectural design challenges. Challenge 1 is service availability and data login problem. Service availability in cloud may be affected because of single point failure and distributed denial of service. Single point failure, depending on single service provider, might result in failure. In case of single service providers, even if a company has multiple data centers located in different geographic regions, it may have common software infrastructure and accounting systems. The solution for this is multiple cloud providers may provide more protection from failures and they provide high availability. The multiple cloud providers will rescue the loss of all data. Next, we are going to see about distributed denial of service, that is DDoS attacks. The cyber criminals attack the target websites and online services and makes these services unavailable to the users. These DDoS tries to overwhelm or disturb the services unavailable to the user by having more traffic than the server or network which can accommodate. The solution for this is some SaaS providers provide the opportunity to defend against DDoS attacks by using quick scale ups. Customers cannot easily extract their data and programs from one site to run to another. Now let us see about data login. It is a situation in which a customer uses service of a provider cannot be moved to another service provider because technologies used by a provider will be incompatible with other providers. This makes a customer dependent on a vendor for services and makes customer unable to use the service of another vendor. The solution for this is to have standardization in technologies among the service providers so that the customers can easily move from a service provider to another. The challenge too is data privacy and security concerns. Cloud services are prone to attacks because they are accessed through internet. Security is given by storing the encrypted data into cloud and firewalls and filters. The cloud environment attacks include guest hopping, hijacking, and VM rootkits. Guest hopping, the virtual machine hyperjumping, that is, we commonly call it as VM jumping, is an attack method that exploits hypervisor's weakness that allows a virtual machine to be accessed from another. Hijacking. Hijacking is a type of network service attack in which the attacker takes control of a communication. VM rootkit, it's a collection of malicious computer software designed to enable access to a computer that is not otherwise allowed. A man in the middle attack is a form of eavesdropping where the communication between two users is monitored and modified by the unauthorized party. Man in the middle attack may take place during VM migrations and VM is moved from one physical host to another host. The passive attacks steal sensitive data or password. Active attacks may manipulate kernel data structures which will cause major damage to the cloud servers. Challenge 3 is unpredictable performance and bottlenecks. Multiple VMs can share the CPUs and main memory in cloud computing, but I/O sharing is problematic. So the internet applications continue to become more data intensive to handle huge amount of data. Handling huge amount of data is a bottleneck in cloud environment. Weak servers that does not provide data transfers properly must be removed from the data or this cloud environment. Challenge 4, distributed storage and widespread software bugs. The database is always growing in cloud applications. There is a need to create a storage system that meets this growth. This demands the design of efficient distributed SANs, that is, storage area network for storage services. The data centers must meet the scalability, data durability, high availability, data consistency. Bug refers to the errors in software and debugging must be done in the data centers. Challenge 5, the cloud scalability, interoperability and standardization. Cloud scalability. Cloud resources are scalable. Cost increases with when the storage and network bandwidth settled. Interoperability. Open virtualization format OVF describes an open, secure, portable, efficient and extensible format for the packaging and distribution of VMs. OF defines a transport mechanism for virtual machine that can be applied to different virtualization platforms. Standardization. Cloud standardization have ability for virtual machine to run on any virtual platform. The challenge 6 is software licensing and reputation sharing. Cloud providers can use both pay for use and bulk use licensing schemes to widen the business coverage. Cloud providers must create reputation guarding services similar to the trusted email services. Cloud providers want legal ability to remain with the customer and vice versa. Thank you.